If it's possible for you to do it, what are the noises and the sounds that people might be used to hearing in porn, but what are the actual sounds when someone is having really good sex sounds?
Okay.
It's really easy to hear those the fake porn sounds, huh?
Yeah.
That's not real.
So what happens is when women get, this is what we see a lot. So also with myself, this is my experience, and I know it's your experience too, because I've been hearing you too having sex. So it sounds like what we call it, the moose.
Strangling the moose.
Strangling the moose. So when I get really horny, I go into. So those are the sounds that you get into. If you get to that level of horniness, I mean, that's like crazy horny.
Like a deep
Like
rumble.
a deep, yeah, it is. Interesting question, though, but yeah.
Strangling the
Strangling the moose.